Hello everyone, my name is Rituja Somani and I would love to share with you all the experience I gained after completing the Train the Brain course. It is a wonderful and amazing innovation conceptualized by Mr. Rajesh Shanshalani sir, wherein the program framework tries to optimize the functionality of the brain of each and every individual. It tries to recognize and make you realize the areas of strengths wherein your brain works at its best and the areas wherein it needs some exercise for the improvement of activation. Moreover, it also helps you make your brain more active in every possible aspect. So basically, it helps us developing solutions as well as identifying problems simultaneously. The most differentiating part of the module is that it is not comprised of boring seminars or theories, but it is implemented through various games and activities that keep you engaged throughout. I would strongly recommend all of you to come up and join the course so as to enhance and sharpen the functionality of your brain and give your best everywhere. Thank you.